Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's learn some French words for the human body.
Hello, explorers. Bonjour. It means hello in French. Can you say bonjour? Great job. I'm Toto the Elephant, and welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. Today we're learning French words about the human body. I'll say the English word, then we'll hear it in French. You repeat after the French word. Ready? Let's go. The head. La tête. La tête. The ear. L'oreille. L'oreille. The eyes. Les yeux. Les yeux. The eyebrows. Les sourcils. Les sourcils. The nose. Le nez. Le nez. The mouth. La bouche. La bouche. The lips. Les lèvres. Les lèvres. The teeth. Les dents. Les dents. The hair. Les cheveux. Les cheveux. The shoulders. Les épaules. Les épaules. The belly. Le ventre. Le ventre. The arm. Le bras. Le bras. The elbows. Les coudes. Les coudes. The leg. La jambe. La jambe. The hand. La main. La main. The foot. Le pied. Le pied. The knees. Les genoux. Les genoux. The hips. Les hanches. Les hanches. The fingers. Les doigts. Les doigts. The toes. Les orteils. Les orteils. The buttocks. Le derrière. Le derrière. The back. Le dos. Le dos. Great work, explorers. Now let's play a game. I'll say the fruit in English. You say it in French after you hear it. The nose. What is it in French? Le nez. Le nez. The eyes. What is it in French? Les yeux. Les yeux. The hand. What is it in French? La main. La main. The foot. What is it in French? Le pied. Le pied. The bottom. What is it in French? Le derrière. Great job. Now let's switch. I'll say the word in French. You tell me what it means in English. La bouche. What is it in English? La bouche. The mouth. Les cheveux. What is it in English? Les cheveux. The hair. Les dents. What is it in English? Les dents. The teeth. Le dos. What is it in English? Le dos. The back. La tête. What is it in English? La tête. The head. You're becoming French explorers now. Good job, explorers. Those were some challenging words. Thanks for trying your best today. French takes practice, but every time you try, you get better. See you next time in another Curious Explorers Club adventure. Au revoir. That means goodbye. Can you say au revoir? Bravo.